Kami informasikan kepada seluruh pengunjung setia Lombok Epicenter Mall bahwa beberapa saat lagi waktu operasional mall akan segera berakhir. Pastikan barang belanja Anda tidak ada yang tertinggal. Kami mengucapkan terima kasih atas kunjungan Anda dan sampai jumpa. Your attention please. We would like to remind you that in a few moments ahead, the operational time of Lombok Epicenter Mall will be soon over. Please make sure that your stuff are left behind. We would like to say thank you for your visit and goodbye.